Hey there, this video is for anybody who is having the problem that I'm having with my washer. This washer is 4 years old and it's a Maytag, which is supposed to be a great brand. But I've had multiple problems out of the lid on this washer not locking. So recently it just refused to lock no matter how many times I restarted it. No matter how I held the lid. Sometimes if you press down on the lid, it will lock. So what I have recently discovered, the new fix, which this may help somebody get through another month or so with their washer before they have to go buy another one, which is what my plan is, because I'm tired of dealing with it, is I take a sponge, something, this thickness, and I put it right here next to the lock, and then I close the lid, and then I start my cycle. Let's see if it'll work. Okay, well, it worked. I don't know how long this will work, but for now, this seems to be helping with the problem. So if anybody else is having this same problem with these Maytag washers, there you go. I might have saved you another week with your washer.